How to copy comments on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on a device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on system and update. Then go to system navigation. Now scroll down. Now enable circle to search. Now go back to the home screen and open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the Reels tab or go to any post comments. Now tap on the comment icon. Now keep holding the navigation bar at the bottom part of your screen. Now tap on the comment. Now tap on the comment you want to copy. Now select the comment and tap on copy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.